Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video you will see the model question paper, two model question papers of control system of BE, E and CE. So 2022 scheme, CBCSE scheme. Okay, so here we'll analyze these two sets so that which are the important questions we will see. Okay, so it is not like in the mathematics type of these subjects we will not get important questions, but more similar type of questions we will get. Is you can look at the model number question number 1. Okay, so you can compare this question 1. Okay, this question number 1 is about the mechanical system. They have given construct the nodal equivalent circuit and the differential equations and force voltage force current analogous equations they are asked you to find out. Okay, if you see the question number 1 of question number 1b of the second one, it is same. Okay, so these type of questions will repeat. Okay, they will give the mechanical system, they will ask you to force to current and force to voltage equations. Okay, so this is a more likely question in the your question paper. And one more is about difference between the open loop and the closed loop system. Okay, so that is a one more likely question which is going to be asked. You can see in both the paper it is there, right? So these two I will say that these two type of questions will be there in your main examination. Okay, that is under the first or the second question. Okay, next you can have one more question like this, that is 2b. Okay, mechanical network will be given like this. So draw the analogous circuit based on the force to current. They will be giving here a rotational system, so that there are two types of system, translations and rotation. Okay, so they will be giving translation and rotation. So in both the cases you should find force to current and force to voltage. Look at this, this is repetitive. Okay, so I strongly recommend you to see these type of mechanical system, write the differential equations, force to current and force to voltage equations, right? So come to the model number 2. In the model number 2 there are very important questions are block diagram reduction technique. They will give these type of blocks and they are asking you to reduce it. And one more is they will give the Meson gain formula. Okay, so for that you can observe this question. So question number 4a, this is Meson gain formula. So these type of questions they will ask in the block diagram reduction technique. Reduce, or you can draw the signal flow graph using this block diagram, or using Meson's gain formula use this. So you should practice these problems in the model number 2. So quickly I will tell which are the questions will appear. So I am not going with respect to the entire thing, right? So here next RH criteria. So question number 7a. So I will switch to question number 7a. So RH criteria, analyze this stability of root locus, right? So here you should focus on the RH criteria a problem. You should root locus problem and one Bode plot problem and one Nyquist plot. Okay, one is RH criteria, other is root locus, Bode plot, Nyquist plot. So based on this, one problem or two problem will appear in your main examination. You can cross check that. Here the question number 7a, you can look at that RH criteria, root locus. Question number 8a is RH criteria, right? 8b is root locus, right? So next 9a is Bode plot, 9b is again Bode plot, right? So next if you take the one more question paper, 9a is Bode plot, right? 8b is about the RH criteria and explain the procedure of root locus, constructing the root locus. Okay, you will be having many steps. So 6 to 8 steps you can write that, right? So I strongly mechanical system, translation or rotational, in that force to current, force to voltage. Next block diagram reduction techniques and signal flow graph, RH criteria, root locus, Bode plot, Nyquist plot. Based on this topic you will get one question. So compulsorily you should practice from this model question paper, so that it is going to give you the idea. Not exactly this type of questions with the data will come, maybe this type will come, but not exactly the same data. Okay, so if there are chances you may get the same, otherwise no. But I strongly recommend you to go through this model question paper, so that if you solve this then definitely you are going to solve any problem in your main examination. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.